Hi there. Welcome back. Today we are simulating a full wave bridge rectifier. It's an analog circuit which is widely used in electronics. This is an important circuit which is used to convert AC signal to DC. This is one of the basic, simplest circuit. This is a full wave bridge rectifier circuit diagram. This ideal circuit has 4 diodes, filter capacitor and a load resistor, which is connected as shown here. We will show you the waveforms of this circuit in the simulation. As I said before, please keep a circuit diagram and list of components you are going to use. Let's start. Double-click the Proteus software. Then click on New Project. Give a suitable name to your project and don't remove PDSPRJ. This is the Proteus file format. Then click Next. It will ask you to select template. For this circuit we are using A4. Select the option and click Next. Next it will ask you to select the PCB type. We are not using any PCB design here. So just click Next and then Finish. This is our new page and we will start the circuit design here. To pick the components you need click on P. Then type the keyword of your components you want to use. And double-click the suitable component. This components will be added to the list. Select all the components in similar way. Now we will place these components in the sheet. Just click on the component and then click on the sheet. Now that component is in the sheet. You can place it anywhere you want it. Place all the components in similar way. To rotate a component, right-click on the component and select a suitable rotation. So now we placed all the components. It's time to connect them all together. Refer the circuit diagram and make the connection. Click on the one terminal of the component and then click on terminal of other component is to be connected. Connect all the components similar way. Now the circuit is ready. In this simulation I will show the waveform in 2 different configuration. One without filter capacitor, another one with filter capacitor. To show that I will make 2 circuits. One with filter and another without filter. To do that I will select the circuit like this. And then right-click on it. Select Copy to Clipboard and right-click on the sheet and select Paste. Move the cursor and place it wherever you want. Add filter capacitor to second circuit. Let's start defining the components. Double-click on the components and then change the values. Do the same thing to all the components and assign the value. To see the waveform we need oscilloscope. Click on this option. It will show you a list of measuring instruments. Click on oscilloscope and place it on the sheet. This is a 4-channel oscilloscope with default ground connection. I will connect A to AC source. and B to resistor without filter, and C to resistor with filter. It's done now. Let's start the simulation. Click on the play button and then oscilloscope will pop up like this. It's time to do the adjustment in oscilloscope. Channel B is connected to resistor without filter. It's a DC voltage there, so change it to DC mode. And channel C is connected to resistor with filter. It's also a DC voltage, so change it to DC mode. And do the fine adjustment of voltage and frequency. And here it is, 3 waves. Number 1 AC signal, number 2 ripple DC signal, and third one is the pure DC signal. That's it. To stop the simulation, press the stop button in the bottom. You can try yourself to understand the electronics and the simulation software. We will come up with more circuits.